Hi, my name is Amira. In this video, I will show you a tutorial on how to use quizizz. So, let's get started. Please click the button below this video. First, how to get into quizizz. To get into quizizz, there are two choices. 1. Logged in, if you already have a quizizz account. 2. Sign up if you want to create a quizizz account and save your progress. So let's choose sign up. Click Google. Choose your account, and that's it. We are already in quizizz. Nice job! Next, how to find quizzes? To find quizzes, click on the search icon, type in the topic that you want on the search engine, and press enter. There are lots of quizzes that are available. You can choose any quizzes that you want. For example, I choose this one. To start the quiz, click the practice button and click play quiz. There is a time limit for each question. Make sure you answer the question before the time limit is up. After you answer the question, the box will turn red if your answer is incorrect, and the box will turn green if your answer is correct. Power Up is functioning to help you get more marks. Use it wisely. Redemption question is the second chance for you to answer again the incorrect question. After the game ended, you can see your rank, your score, how many correct and incorrect answer. Also can review the questions to revise. How to create quizzes? To create quizzes, click on the activity icon, and click the Create Quiz button. Name your quizzes and choose a relevant subject about your quizzes, then click Next. You can create your own questions, or just use teleport questions. With teleport questions, you can just add other people's question into your quizzes. When you're done, click Publish. Fill in the quiz's details such as title, image, language, grade, who can see the quizzes, and click Save. How to share your quizzes? To share your quizzes, go to the activity page and click the quizzes that you have created. Click on the share icon, and you can copy the link and also just share it directly into the Telegram, Google Classroom, and Padlet. That is all from me. Thank you for your time. Good luck.